Up first, this evening, investigators say the shooting of 7 people in Park Lane, St. Andrew last evening stemmed from an intra-gang dispute. Our sources say a disagreement among gang members in the area resulted in a split, causing the shooting, which left 3 people dead. Kirk Wright has this report.
Some residents of Park Lane, St. Andrew started moving out of the community moments after a gun attack which left 3 people dead. 4 have been injured and are still hospitalized. 2 brothers were among those killed in what police described as targeted attacks. The shootings happened after 7. Police say men on foot shot and killed one of the brothers in his kitchen, the other at his gateway, and another man on a road in the community. The brothers have been identified as Roshane and Kamoni White. Both were in their 20s, and their relative, 37-year-old Alex Henry. Grandmother of the brothers, Virus White, spoke with us today.
Me not the one where near Kimani, not involved in that. The other one, me no know if he in nothing. Me I tell you true, me no know. For sometimes they go out and you don't know where them keep company, you don't know where them they tell where they coming. But in work, he go work. And working come from the evening and I trim the guy right here. So when he get in there.
Barber or?
Yeah, in do barber and work. In work otherwise, like labor and work, pan house and so concrete. And then don't come in and I trim the guy right here. So as a second job.
Our police sources have revealed that the shooting happened because certain instructions given to a man from the community was not carried out. That man is now missing. He has been identified as 31-year-old Kishe Bryan. A missing report was filed at the Constant Spring Police just today. Police say Bryan was abducted from the community sometime early afternoon yesterday and has not been seen since.
At the moment, the investigators, they are following several lines of inquiries. One of the things they are looking at is the possibility of intra-gang conflict, where it's persons aligned to Park Lane that are in conflict with each other.
Fear has now gripped the community, causing many to flee. We understand most of those who fled between last night and this morning are men.
We have seen some persons that have opted to leave the community, probably fear of reprisal or just by what happened, they feel that they will be safer elsewhere, so they have decided to leave. And they were not prevented from doing so, but the police and military are in fact in the space. So some of the fear that the citizens probably had initially should be somewhat reduced.
Indication.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.